The year also saw a meaningful turn with respect to some of the challenges faced both at a macroeconomic and industry level. Broader deficit indicators, namely the fiscal deficit and current account indicators, have shown improvement, and inflationary pressures within the economy have been broadly brought into control. We believe the priorities of the new government are in the right direction. The prospects for a broad-based economic recovery will likely remain back-ended in FY16. We have continued to build our infrastructure, invest in technology and in human capital to support business growth, extend our reach, and deepen existing customer relationships. Our digital strategy continues to see strong traction with a multifold increase in the use of our electronic banking channels. During the year, we created a new vertical called Transaction Banking, which seeks to integrate and deliver best-in-class products, solutions and services to our customers in the area of current accounts, cash management services, trade and forex. The bank also launched its most premium personal banking service, Burgundy, designed especially for the busy, affluent HNI customer. Burgundy brings solutions offered by various business groups, both retail and corporate within the bank, and various group entities under one integrated platform. The bank continues to remain a dominant player in the debt capital market segment and has been ranked number 1 in the Bloomberg Underwriter League tables for domestic bonds in India, 7th year in a row. Fiscal 2015 has been a good year for all our subsidiaries, with healthy growth witnessed in business operations, leading to strong growth in their total income and earnings. Axis Capital has once again reaffirmed its position as the number 1 ECM house in the country. Axis AMC gained market share during the year and is now ranked 12th in AUM amongst the mutual fund in the country. The improving macro fundamentals holds a lot of promise, and the bank is well positioned to take advantage of the opportunities that may emerge during the upswing in the economy. With this, I would now request Sanjeev Gupta to brief you on the bank's financial performance for Q4 and full year FY15.
Good evening. The bank has fared well, and our focus strategy to disperse risks both on assets and liability perspective has enabled the franchise to perform well. Let me now give you the specific details of the bank's result for Q4 and financial year 2015. The bank's core operating revenue for Q4 grew 21% to rupees 6,056 crores and for FY15 grew 17% to rupees 21,268 crores. The main driver for robust operating performance is net interest income, which rose 20% to rupees 3,799 crores and full year rose 19% to rupees 14,224 crores. Net interest margin for Q4 was healthy at 3.81%. The cost-income ratio of the bank for Q4 was 38% against 40% last year, while for full year cost-income ratio was stable at 41%. Net profits for both Q4 and for full year grew 18% to rupees 2,181 crores and 7,358 crores respectively. From funding perspective, total deposits rose 15% to reach 3,22,442 crores at the end of 31st March 2015. During the financial year ended 31st March, the CASA growth on a daily average basis was healthy at 15%. Within that, saving bank deposit on a daily average basis grew 17%, while current account deposit grew by 11%. CASA on a daily average basis was 40% of total deposit at the end of 2015 compared to 39% in last year. On an end day basis, CASA deposit comprised 45% of total deposit, remained unchanged vis-a-vis previous years. Retail term deposit continued to grow well at 27% and constituted 60% of total term deposit compared to 55% last year. As on 31st March 2015, CASA and retail term deposit constituted 78% of total deposit compared to 75% last year, lending stability to the funding base of the bank. The bank's loan book grew 22% to rupees 2,81,083 crores. In the loan book, corporate loans were 45%, SME 15%, and retail loans were 40%. Retail loan grew 27% and stood at 1,11,932 crores.
Okay, that's Axis Bank, but we're completely out of time on Reporter's Diary. Thank you so much for watching. Lots more coming up. Do stay tuned to CNBC TV 18.
CNBC TV 18, celebrating 15 years of leadership.